How to remove a dent from a quarter panel. We know it's the worst feeling when you get into an accident that dings up your vehicle. Luckily, dented quarter panels, or the body sections around your rear wheels, are usually quick cosmetic repairs you can do on your own. You probably have some questions about how to fix the panel, so we'll cover some of the best things you can do so you barely even notice the damage. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to remove a dent from a quarter panel. Can all car dents be fixed? You can fix most shallow dents as long as they're just cosmetic. You'll have the most luck with dents that are small and concave on smooth surfaces. Even if you don't have a lot of experience repairing vehicles, you may already have the supplies at home to work on meaner damage. Some smaller dent repairs only take minutes, but others require a bit more patience and hard work to get the panel back to its original shape. Take your vehicle to a shop if the dent broke through the clear coat. When you damage the sealant on your vehicle's body, it's more likely that it will develop rust and corrosion. Inspect the dent to see if any of the clear coat has worn away or if there's a tear in the panel. If there is, contact your local auto body shop to get a quote for your repairs. How do I use a dent removal tool? Glue the tool's suction cup to the middle of the dent. Most dent remover kits come with a hot glue gun, a suction cup, and a crossbar used to pull out the damage. Heat up your glue gun and apply hot glue to the bottom of the suction cup. Then, press it flat against the middle of the dent. Let the glue dry for at least 10-30 seconds so it adheres properly. Attach the crossbar to the suction cup. Slide the suction cup through the hole in the middle of the crossbar. Turn the crossbar so the 2 feet on either side are on a flat area on your quarter panel. Press the feet tightly against the panel so they stick to your vehicle. Then, screw the knob onto the end of the suction cup to keep the crossbar from falling off. Turn the suction cup's knob clockwise to pop the dent out. Only rotate the knob by a half turn at a time so you're less likely to damage your vehicle. As you turn the knob, the feet will press against your vehicle's body and the suction cup will pull the panel out. Keep turning the knob until you see or hear the panel pop back into its original position. Once you pull out the dent, the removal tool will easily come off of the panel. How do I get a dent out of a car with a plunger? Press the plunger into the middle of the dent and pull it out. Start by getting the panel wet with some water so the plunger forms a better seal. Push the plunger's cup over the center of the dent, but don't press too hard or you could make the damage worse. Give the plunger a quick tug straight out so the dent pops out. Can hot water pop out a dent? Hot water might fix a dent if it's not on a flat surface. Bring a pot of water to a boil and take it out to your vehicle. Slowly pour the hot water over the dent so it heats up the panel and makes it more malleable. After that, spray the area with compressed air to cool it down quickly. If you're lucky, the dent will pop right out. How do I hammer out a dent? Tap the dent from the inside of the panel so you don't damage the paint. Since you'll need access behind the dent, you may need to remove a taillight or wheel to reach the area. Place a dolly, which is a curved metal support piece, on the outside of the panel so it follows the shape of your vehicle's body. Gently tap the inside of the panel with a soft rubber mallet or body hammer so it conforms to the shape of the dolly. How much does it cost to pull out a dent? Golf ball-sized dents usually cost $150 USD or more. The total price depends on the dent's location, sharpness, and ease of access. Luckily, they usually only take around an hour to repair. Ask the technician for an estimate when you take your vehicle in, since they'll be able to give you a more accurate price once they see it. Dents or creases bigger than your hand will cost over $250 USD. Larger dents require a lot more work and the shop may need to remove other parts of your vehicle for the fix. The price also depends on the model of your vehicle and if they need to repaint the surface. When you take your vehicle in, show the repair person the damage and ask them what the best steps are for moving forward. Repairing dents on your own could cause more damage or affect the strength of your quarter panel. If you don't feel comfortable working on your own vehicle, contact a professional auto body shop to work on your repairs. We have reached the end of the tutorial on how to remove a dent from a quarter panel. If you found the video useful, kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please share them in the comments section below. Drive safely and stay happy until we meet again.